What is up, y'all? This is On My Bar. I'm Nikki, and here goes nothing. I hope you're having a great day, because I know I am. Anyway, I'm off to a late start, so instead of having breakfast, I'm having lunch today. Guess where I'm having lunch? Check this out. Isn't that just gorgeous with the foliage, the blue lake, everything is just gorgeous. I'm up in New Hampshire right now. I'm at the artist Bluff. I'm gonna have my lunch. I got my tuna pack. I got my juice pack. I got my trusty hiking gear. Anyway, I hope you all enjoy. I hope you have a good day. Thank you for following my journey, and I'll see you on the other side. Bye, y'all.